So this is the suite where I live, so we'll take a tour of that. So this is our common room, so we try to spend some time together along with other suite mates, and that is my room. So welcome to my room. So this is my side of the room, and this is my roommate's side, which I can't show because of privacy reasons. So let's begin the dorm tour. So right here I have my closet. I still did not buy my winter dress, so I need to buy some of those, but these are my hoodies, jackets, and some dresses, but I still need to buy many for the winter. So yeah, this is my side of the closet. This is my roommate's closet. So these are the vineyards. Of course, it's fake, but I still try to include it because I like greenery in my room. So you could see a lot of small plants. Again, they are fake, but I still like them because I just like green, I guess. So I have my Alexa on this side, another small plant. I have my fan, which was very necessary when I first came in because it was so hot when I initially came into the US. This is my shower speaker, and you would again see some vineyards again. This is my Indian flag, the American flag, and the Ukrainian flag. These are some posters, and this is a poster that I got from the movie that I went in. So it was my first experience in a US theater, so I got it from there. So coming to my desk, this is my desk. It's not like the best setup that you could ever get, but I'm comfortable with it, so I wouldn't complain. So I have a lot of books on this side, and some tissues. This is my clock. Again, these are some perfumes that I bought, and my friend gave this doll to me, so I just thought to just keep it here for some reason. And this is my laptop I work on, and of course I have some dry fruits because my mom recommended me to eat dry fruits every morning, so I have it on my desk. So every morning I wake up, I see them, I try to eat it. So yep, I think it's a good habit. And we have a small desk lamp here, so if you want to work at night and not disturb your roommate, you could just use it. But for most part, it's just off. And I have some LED strip lights behind it. This board is very close to me because I have a lot of stuff here. So these are some of the things that my friends made for me. So I just decorated it by keeping it here. So this is the bill from Target. So this is my first time going to Target, so I pasted the bill here. It's my first bill from Walmart. This is my first bill from Five Below. This is the theater's ticket that I went in. It was my first experience, so I thought to paste the sticker here. This is from Taco Bell. This is from Casey's. This is my boarding ticket. So I kept my boarding ticket because it was a very memorable time for me, because it was my first experience traveling out of the country. It was also my first time boarding a flight, so it was a very memorable thing for me. So I kept the boarding pass with me. This is a postcard that I wrote for my future self to send it to the President of the United States. It talks about the polarization that's happening in the US. And I requested or urged the future president to try to fix this problem. So yeah, it talks about many things. It talks from like topics ranging from rights and freedom of underprivileged African Americans, LGBTQ individuals, and students. So yeah, that's part of me and some topics I really care about. So yeah, that was my desk. That's my complete room tour. These are some banners, or whatever you would say, cardboard cutouts, representing our college. So I just hang one here and one there. So, yep, that is it for the room tour. Oh, I forgot to show. So I have some drawers. I mean, the college gave us. These are some of my athletic wear. So I try to keep it here, and I have some Amazon packages. This is my air purifier, which I still have not unboxed it. This is my laundry bag or laundry bin, so to wash my clothes. And these are some of my shoes. This is a dustbin. This is a place where I keep all my stationery. So yeah, that's pretty much about this room. Now I want to show you the best part of my room, which is this view. So the fall is finally here. So the trees are, I mean, the leaves are changing their colors. It's blossoms now. So you could see how the leaves are changing their colors in real time. So I wake up to this view every morning, which feels pretty sweet if you think about it, waking up to this view. So yeah, that was everything about this room. And also, this is how our bathroom looks. We have mirrors here, a sink, that's the tissue dispenser, that's a hand wash. We have bathtub, we have showers. This is a heat ventilation system. We have trash can, this is toilet. And yep, that pretty much sums up how our bathroom looks. Here we have some extra toilet papers, some trash bags, and yep, that was it.